Setting up Engage preferences, Task Manager. MoxiEngage helps you do the right thing at the right time by providing a task list for each portion of the life of a transaction. Moving your people through that sales flow not only keeps your transactions on track, but also helps MoxiEngage provide insight on achieving the goal you have set. Use the Task Manager to add your own style to the life of your transactions. Customizing your task lists for each zone of the sales flow here will then apply to each new person added into the flow. You can then customize each individual transaction as needed, but this will provide you the foundation from which to start each sales flow process. Task Manager is broken up into two segments, marketing and sales plans. Marketing provides two workflows. The first, for those that have come into Engage as a lead, and the second, for all other clients you are not currently working with. If the person has come to you as a lead, you may want to add a few more tasks to your list, such as reaching out to this new person on day one, or sending a follow-up email to make sure you have what you need from them to help them with their upcoming transaction. Sales plans also provide two workflows. In this case, you can create a flow for a client who's a buyer or one that is a seller. Under both of these flows, you have three zones. Prospect tasks hold all the tasks for people who are looking to buy and sell in the next 6 to 12 months. Actives are for the part of the transaction where you are actively working with your person, setting up staging and hiring the photographer, or if they are a buyer, finding, viewing, and making an offer on properties. Pending is the last zone of the life of your transaction, when you have a mutually agreed upon buyer-seller contract. Whether you are customizing the marketing or sales plans, the same process applies to building your task list. You can add, remove, or reorder the tasks to fit how you work. Your brokerage will have already reviewed the task list and customized them to fit the flow you are familiar with. Events, mortgage services, and other core services your brokerage offers are already included in your task flow. MoxiWorks has also added tasks that will be new to you. Due to this, there are some tasks you cannot remove. To add a task, select the blue Add Task button. Select a task from the commonly used task list. Choose your due on day and add the task. Or select New to add your own custom task. Provide a name, description, and the due day. Change the due day of your task by clicking on the day and using the up or down arrows. Click Update and your task will rearrange itself. The due day is determined by when a transaction began. For example, if the transaction began on the 5th and the due day is day 5, the task will be due on the 10th. Save your changes and remember that all these changes will only affect brand new transactions.